Hey, baby. Licky, licky, baby. Licky, licky, baby. How you doing?
Who are you?
It's me, Faxyman. Don't you know me?
What are you doing?
You ain't heard about Faxyman? Yeah, it's me, Faxyman. Your regular homeboy, you know what I mean?
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm the chicken nod, the chicken nod.
So how may I help you under this box?
I'm just looking for one I will have as my OC babe. I mean, sugar licky, licky, baby.
Wholesale, babe.
Yeah.
They don't use girl, they do wholesale.
Yeah.
Hey!
Everybody love me for my money because they know I got some Benjamin. They love me. Let's go to the sun. Let's go to the sun.
What?
What is this? Sweet project. This is one of my little project. The little project I have here in Lekki. This project of me.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
And I might give this to you. I just read this to you because I wanna have you. Oh, baby, come on. Feel comfortable like you wanna feel. You know what I mean?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Come on. You look sweet, man.
This is my car, and I'll be needing like 30 million naira just for maintenance now. To maintain it.
Wait, what did you say?
30 million. At least for talking stage.
Who go bring and come?
You don't speak fish.
Now me, I mean, now you go bring and come.
Now you, of course.
Okay, this is be JJC for Lagos, eh? This is be Johnny Just Come for Lagos. You want use my head?
So now get you not get money. Now you get you not get money.
Oh no!
Look at yourself. Who win?
I mean, want to work for Lagos.
See my car.
Go to the next bus stop. Next bus stop.
Get
Bro.
Oh.
Sit down,